The Denmark NAACP collaborated with the Medical University of South Carolina to present a kidney disease prevention and options workshop. The risks that lead to kidney disease, ways to prevent kidney disease, and treatment options for those already diagnosed. Presenting the workshop was transplant nephrologist Dr. Aurora Posadas Salas. 1 in 8 South Carolinians have kidney disease, which approximately amounts to 576,000 people. Chronic kidney disease occurs when the kidneys lose the ability to filter the blood effectively and leads to an excess of waste and water in the body. High blood pressure, anemia, weak bones, and poor nutrition ultimately lead to kidney failure with complications. Obesity, heart problems, tobacco use, and family history can also result to chronic kidney disease. Tips to prevent kidney failure are: see your doctor for regular checks.
This is Demetrius Relaford, and I'm here with WOCS 93.7 FM, the People Station in Denmark, South Carolina, with Ms. Barbara Williams. What are your thoughts about the event and how it went today and how important it is to be aware of your health needs?
Well, I thought we had a lot of good information given here today, and I think it went quite well, and I'm hoping what they will do with this information is take it back to their local churches, their homes, their communities, and share it with others, so that others who may need to have access to it will get it.
Thank you so much for coming by.
It's important to have information and have access to information so you can know what to do. These forums are providing us just that, access and information, so we can make a difference, not just for ourselves, but we can pass it on to others. You know, the most powerful communicate is by word of mouth, and these forums are making it happen.
What's the importance of knowing about the awareness of your health?
I think the event's gone very well. Just getting people to be more conscientious about what they're eating, what they're putting inside their body. You know, everybody likes to eat, but to know what a serving size is, you know, not to overdo it on any of the food groups, but to know that every food group is important. With the vegetables, you want to try to eat a variety of vegetables and fruits, covering the colors of the rainbow. With fruits, you want to, be conscientious about that serving size. Like 2 or 3 servings of fruit a day is probably enough for a healthy adult. Our community is very smart, so once they realize about the preventive measure, I'm sure they'll catch on, and I'm sure we'll see a decrease in diabetes in our community and kidney disease.